Hello everybody, I hope everybody's enjoying the day. Now I'm going to do a little budgie and bird talk with you. Now this is a subject what's controversial. Now pet shops all over sell budgies by the flocks, but sometimes when you're looking for your ideal budgie, you may come across budgies who have got ailments, who's got disabilities, and who's maybe mutated slightly differently to other budgies. Now, these pet shops are fair, and they mostly believe that every budgie has a good chance in life. It's only very rarely they will cull a flock of budgies, and that may be due to things like having French molt. Now French molt, as I have mentioned in an earlier video, it is very contagious to birds and it causes real bad molting. We're not talking about your usual molt, we're talking about severe molt, where budgies really lose the feathers. It's just a condition that they're born with or have received due to it being contagious. It's just sad, you know. But you may find budgies who's got a disability, who you don't notice has got a disability until you get that budgie home. Sorry, the light keeps coming through the window. Still coming through. Oh, it's mad that sun when it comes through. It's really bright outside, by the way. Now, there's disabilities and there's disabilities. Well, you know, with people, some people can't see, some people can't walk. Sometimes budgies, they may get disabilities just through a mutation, something what's come in the DNA when they've been born, and it just is. Now, having a home for a budgie with a disability, and you may only notice this when you get it home, sadly, there's ways to adapt things for your budgie to be, or bird to be, living in comfort. Or it could be a disability where it may be noticeable, like if a budgie's got an injured foot. It's surprising, birds do adapt quite quickly if they've got an injured foot. But there is other different things. Now, until I got this book, I've shown you this book before. It's a very good book. And there's actually a mutation and they call these budgies feather dusters, and it looks like that. Now, this is a bird that overgrows. It overgrows the rest of the chicks. When it hatches, it just overgrows, and it's something to do with the DNA. And its plumage just overgrows along with its body. And with its plumage being so long, it may find it difficult to see and find food. Now, if you're a budgie breeder and this happens, then the best thing is to cut its hair back. Then it'll be able to still find food and maybe separate it from its mates, its siblings, should I say. Sorry, I didn't mean to say mates. Siblings. And the thing with these feather dusters, they'll only usually live only a couple of months, sadly. I know things like this happens. It's a very rare condition as well. So it may never happen, but it does happen, as it's proved in this book. Now, having things wrong with your budgie, like a disability and all that, I'm sure you will cotton on quite quickly, especially if you've had budgies in the past, because you just know the movements of a budgie, the flying all right. This is a subject I'm not going to keep going on about. I've probably repeated myself a few times. But adapting to your budgie, especially if it's got a disability, is possible, and they still can have a good quality of life. Okay, has any of you ever had a budgie that has received a disability? Please let me know, because is it easy? Is it hard? Please let me know in the comments, as this can happen. Okay. So Sammy's all right. She's here in a cage. I'll let you see her. That sun's really shining through. Good girl. Good girl. Bless you. He's just done a sneeze. There's Sammy. She's lovely. She's beautiful, aren't you? You're a beautiful bird. You're lovely. You're a lovely, lovely bird. So I'm going to leave it there for now. Thank you for watching this video. Please get involved, as it may help somebody else. Please check out all my previous content and videos, as you may find them interesting. And please like and subscribe if you feel my content deserves it, as it would mean so much. Okay, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I'll be back for lunchtime with me, but until then, I'll see you soon. Okay, we both say bye. Bye.